Hello students, in this video we are going to see comparative income statement. Comparative income statement is an important tool for financial statement analysis. That is, the financial statement, it is divided into two. That is, you have the income statement and the position statement. And the income statement, that is the statement of profit and loss, can be put into a different form so that it helps in easy understanding of what is happening in the business. Okay, so this is an important tool which will help you to take important decisions. So it will help both the internal as well as the external users of accounting information. So in this, what you're going to do is the income statement that will be put into a different form, and it will help in easy comprehension of the financial statement. You can know what is happening with the profits of the business. So a comparative income statement is the statement of profit or loss which shows the increase or decrease in various items of cost, expenses, and income over a number of years, over a period of time. That is, it's an example, very good example for horizontal analysis, where you will be comparing the figures of different periods to arrive at conclusions. So the profit and loss account, which shows the cost, expenses, and income, will be put into a different form using the comparative income statement. So this is an important tool. And it shows, actually it is showing the trend of profitability and the operational efficiency of the business. That is, usually in the preparation of comparative income statement, 2 years figures will be used, and over those 2 years, what has happened will be revealed through the figures. That is, you will be using percentages to comment on the figures as given or as disclosed in the statement of profit and loss. So let us see how that is prepared. So here, this is shown. The question is given in the form of an Excel sheet, and you can see here, that is, a question is given here like the figures of 2018 and 2019 are given. See, the heading you should give as comparative income statement, and it has particulars column, note number. This is just a formality here for the problems in the textbooks. It's just a formality, but in practical situations, you will have to give the note number. And 2 years figures, 2018 and 2019 figures are given here. And so this actually, all these are provided in the question itself. And what you're going to do with these figures. So usually the financial statements will be giving you 2 years figures, the past years as well as the current years figures will be provided to you. And that is just put into this illustration. And you can see, first of all, you will be finding out the absolute change. Okay, so the absolute change, how will you find out the absolute change? The absolute change will be, so in the previous video on comparative balance sheet, I have shown you how to find out the absolute change and percentage increase or decrease. So it is the same here also. Only thing is that the format will be different. These formats will be different. So here the items, the different line items of the income statement will be given. But in a balance sheet, as you know, the assets as well as the liabilities will be given. So how will you find out this? That is, the absolute change is equal to, always it will be based on the base year's figure. So which is the first year given, that will serve as the base year, which you can see here. So I have highlighted that in blue, and you can see that it is all the base year's figures are highlighted in blue. So you can see absolute change will be the current year, that is 10 lakhs, current year's figure, that is its revenue from operations, that is 10 lakhs minus 9 lakhs. What is that? It is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the absolute change here. And coming to the percentage increase or decrease, how will you find that? I told you it will be always based on the base year's figure. Okay, the percentage of increase or decrease will be based on the base year's figure, which is the first year given here. Okay, so here we know that it's an increase. From 9 lakhs, it increased to 10 lakhs. So it's an increase. So the calculation will be the absolute change. Absolute change, we got it as 1 lakh. So that 1 lakh divided by base year's figure is 9 lakhs into 100, which is 11.11%. So that is how you will find out the absolute change and the percentage increase or decrease. Okay. So this is how you will find out the figures for this. And for all the items, for all the major line items, you will have to do the same. That is how you will prepare the comparative income statement. Similarly, for other incomes also, you will do the same. That is, here you can see 50,000. Next is 1 lakh. So it is increased by 50,000, and 50,000 upon the base year's figure into 100 will give you 100%. So by looking at this, you can easily comment on how is the increase or decrease. So in both these cases, revenue from operations increased by 11.11% and other incomes increased by 100%. So a better you can have better conclusions or better interpretations you can have, and therefore better decision making. And regarding the total revenue, so as you know, in the vertical the profit and vertical form of statement of profit and loss account, you will be finding out the total revenue as the third step. So that will be the sum of 9 lakhs and 50,000, which will be 9 lakhs 50,000. So here, like this, in vertically, you will have to add it up. For this also, for the second year also, you'll have to do the same and find out the difference. That is 9 lakhs 50 and 11 lakhs. Increase is 1 lakh 50. And for this also, you will do the same. That is 1 lakh 50 upon base year's figure into 100 will give you the percentage increase or decrease. And for some items, so for expenses, you have lot of sub items under expenses. Cost of materials consumed, purchase of stock in trade, everything is given in the question. And so what you have to do is you have to do the same for all these expenses also. And sometimes you may end up at a negative figure. Look at this, change in inventories is 80,000 decreased to 60,000. So you can put that within brackets or put it as a negative figure. That is minus 20,000, or put within brackets and that will give you minus 25%. The same thing, 20,000 again upon the base year's figure only. Even though it's a decrease, you will have to calculate on the base year's figure only. So minus 25. And now all the expenses together, all these expenses together will give you 4 lakhs 15,000, just the total expenses. Similarly, you'll do it for the second year also, and you'll find out the difference as 2 lakhs 60. For each item, you'll do that. Find out the difference as 2 lakhs 60. Then find out the percentage, 2 lakhs 60,000 divided by 4 lakh 15 into 100, which will give you 62.65. And profit before tax. Profit before taxes, how will you find out the profit? As you all know, it will be the difference between the total revenue and the total expenses. So this 3 minus 4 will give you profit before tax. So similarly, you will do that here also. And income tax is given. Income tax is given in the question, and so based on that, you will have to that is income taxes calculated and given to you. That is 70,000 and 60,000. Okay, that you will have to deduct from this. So 70,000 and 60,000. That is a decrease of 10,000, and you will have to find out the profit after tax, which is 5 minus 6. That is profit before tax minus income tax will give you profit after tax. Hope you understood this, the calculation of the absolute change and the percentage increase or decrease. Thanks for your patient listening. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.